So for the most part, solid work on question number 7, except several of the groups got the signs of the exponents backwards. When they were supposed to be positive, they wrote a negative, and when they're supposed to be negative, they were supposed to be positive. And I suspect that if you try to follow what I'm saying here, try to follow this technique, I think you'll do a bit better. So if I want to display the number 356.3 in scientific notation, I know that the decimal has to live here, right there, 3.563. But you look at that and you're saying, yeah, but that's not 353. It's not 356.3, is it? No, it's 3.563. So what do I have to do to this new number in order to make it look like the number that I started with, the number that it's supposed to be? Well, I have to multiply by 10 a few times, right? When I multiply it by a single 10, this decimal goes to here. And if I multiply it by an additional 10, the decimal moves to here. So by multiplying by 10 twice, that decimal goes right back to where it once belongs, right? It's going right back to there. So that's what I need to do. I need to take the 3.563 and multiply it by 2 factors of 10. That will give me 3.563. And then our notation is times 10 to the second power, because I have 2 factors of 10 that I'm multiplying by. And it is a positive 2. So the answer there to A was 3.563 times 10 to the second power. So let's take a look at the one that ended up having a negative exponent. Again, I know, and this is what I like to write down, where the decimal should be, right? If this was in scientific notation, it should be right there, 2.85. Now, that's not the number that we have, right? We have 0.002. So the question is, what do I have to do to get the decimal to go back several places? And it's going to go actually to the left this way. Well, it turns out multiplying by 10 kicks a decimal to the right. Dividing by 10 kicks it to the left. So I need to divide by 10. And actually, this 10 to the negative 1 power, right? Remember what that means? That's 1/10. So that is dividing by 10. So if I divide by 10 once, here's where the decimal starts. It puts it here. Divided by a 10 again, that puts it at this locale. And then divide by 10 a third time, it puts it right there where it's supposed to be. So by dividing by 3 factors of 10, you can see 1, 2, 3. This number ends up becoming 0.00285. So my answer should be 2.85 times 10, and this is to the negative third power. And I'll write that over here. That's 2.85 times 10 to the negative third power.